Hello and welcome back to the second Ask Me Anything of the summer. We had a lot of questions about writing instruction. This is the one I'm answering first. Reading this off of my computer right here, this person says, I feel like virtual learning had a huge impact on my students' writing ability. They missed huge chunks of first and second grade where core writing skills are built. How do you suggest starting off next year because I need my students to produce better writing than they did this year? Yes to all of that. You are right. In first and second grade, our students missed huge parts of in-person instruction, if they had any at all, where they were learning to build sentences. And we can't forget that most writing instruction is just like executive functioning skills being practiced in real time in writing. And those are not easy for upper elementary students. The very first thing I'm going to suggest is going to be something extremely unconventional. Hang with me. The first thing you're going to do, you're going to grab this guide, the Explicit Writing Kickstarter Kit. This is free. This is huge. You are going to flip all the way to this page, page 24. We have put together for you every single lesson that you need to teach in order to really tighten those paragraph skills. Here's the unconventional part. None of these lessons have students actually writing. Because what we're doing first is we're actually dissecting paragraphs. Like we're looking sentence by sentence by sentence and really looking at how paragraphs are organized. Because if you think about it in math, we teach number sense first. So students get an understanding of like what numbers mean. Try this next year. Start out with those lessons. Grab that. That's free. Wherever you're watching this, there's a link in the description.